First, confirm that the power cord and network cable are connected. After the PDU is powered on, click the middle button, select Network. You can view the Internet Protocol address. Click the middle button. Then click the button below to select Yes and the middle button to confirm. Change the Internet Protocol address to a dynamic IP. Enter the dynamic Internet Protocol address in the browser and hit Enter. Enter the account password as admin. You can enter the PDU background. How to change the operation panel to English. Find Devices, find Device Panel, find Menu Language. You can set the language here. How to access remotely. Find the service, find the remote access, scan the QR code directly, or click the QR code. Copy the URL, open it in the browser to access remotely. The account password is also admin. Temperature sensor application display. First, the temperature sensor has been connected, and the LCD screen can display the temperature. Enter the background, and you can see the temperature displayed. Socket switch is now on. Find the trigger in the system. Select the temperature trigger. Find the connected temperature sensor. Description indicates that the name can be customized. Trigger conditions are optional. Select below 30°C here. Temperature difference can be set. Select to perform action OFF. Select the switch to be controlled. Select 1 to 5 here. Here we can see that the corresponding switch is turned off. The application display of the door magnetic sensor. First of all, the socket switch is now on, and the door magnetic sensor is connected. Find the trigger in the system. Select the I/O trigger, and find the corresponding door magnetic. Select I/O up here to indicate that the door magnetic is closed, that is, closed state. Perform the action OFF. Select the switch you need to control, and select all switches here. Select Save, and the setting is complete. When our door magnetic is closed, all the switches are closed, and the display is over.
If you are eager to delve deeper into PDU products, head over to Alibaba International Suppliers and search for Guangzhou, Finland.